of the day, Madeline Kilgore from Miss Harris's room, first grade. She is our speaker of the day, and we're going to start out with a question. Madeline's going to answer the question too. Madeline, what do you dream about when you are asleep?
Ponies.
Oh, say it again. One more time. I don't think they heard you.
Ponies.
Oh, she dreams about ponies. You know, like little horses? All right, ponies. Madeline, why do you dream about ponies?
Because I like them, because some of them are magical.
Oh, she says some of them are magical. She likes them. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, Madeline, at this time she's going to read the joke of the day, so everyone listen up to the joke. And by the way, this is a kid joke that it has been submitted by one of our students out of Miss Sandra's room, Sarah Zakwaska. I'm not sure if I said that right. We may just call Sarah Z, out of Miss Sandra's second grade classroom. She has turned in this joke, and Madeline is going to read the joke of the day. Here it is.
Why did the peach go out with the plum?
All right. Why did the peach go out with the prune? All right, think about it. Why did the peach go out with the prune, Madeline?
Because he couldn't find a date.
Oh, my goodness, because he couldn't find a date. Oh, my goodness. What a really good joke. All right. You did a great job, Madeline. Great job being the speaker of the day. I do have a few announcements.